This is my dog, Louie. Lulu, say hi. He's a little English Spring Spaniel. This is my boyfriend, Cam. I'm not going to show you my face because I don't have any makeup on. Go, Louie, go! Lulu! Yeah, that's you. You want to smell something? What are you smelling? What are you smelling? Where are you going? There's lots of trees here. They're very pretty. What are you doing? What have you found, Lulu? What do you got there? Huh? What's that? What's that, Lou? What do you got? What are you smelling? Did someone pee there?
He just explores.
Yeah. So many things to smell. Okay, come on this way. Let's go, let's go. Run, run, run. That's man's best friend right there. You can hardly see them now. Oh, so far away. We are in the Redwoods in Rotorua, New Zealand. Beautiful place, quite windy. You can hear the trees kind of moving. Sounds quite cool. Bit of an overcast day though. A little bit chilly in here. But yeah, this is the dog walking area. And they've just been planting some new trees, so these ones are quite small. But they grow to be about, you know, somewhere around about that size there. This is my dog! He's crazy! So it's a very pretty area. Say bye, Lulu! Bye, Lulu! Yes, hello, hello.